Hey guys, for the month of June I will be incorporating color into each of my tutorials. Today I'm going to share with you a fun pattern that incorporates both the double half hitch knot and the reverse double half hitch knot. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 6 pieces of 3mm peach latte string, each piece is 2 meters long. Note that you will have extra cord left hanging below the pattern after you have finished it. Attach 1 piece of string to your dowel using 2 lark's head knots, and then attach the remaining 5 pieces to the cord hanging between the lark's head knots. If you are unsure of how to do this, please see the description for a link to one of my tutorials where I show this method. Using the outside left cord as your filler cord, tie 5 horizontal double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Repeat on the right side of your work. I typically connect 2 rows of double half hitch knots together with one more double half hitch knot using both filler cords. Today I thought I'd show you how you can still create a V shape without tying the extra double half hitch knot. Do this by crossing the cords at the bottom of your work when tying your next row of double half hitch knots. Before tying this row, we are going to add 2 more cords to our work. Cut 2 pieces of 3mm natural string, each piece is 2 meters long. Fold each piece in half and attach one on the left and one on the right side of your work. Using the second cord from the left as your filler cord, tie a row of 6 double half hitch knots on the left side of your work. Remember to cross the cords in the middle of your work before tying the 6th double half hitch knot. Repeat on the right side of your work. Tie one final row of 7 reverse double half-hitch knots on both sides of your work. Remember to cross the cords in the middle of your work before tying the 7th reverse double half-hitch knot. This pattern can be used as is or you can add to it. Here are a few suggestions. Create a mirror image of the top section to create an X shape. Add additional rows of double half-hitch knots and reverse double half-hitch knots that run all the way across your work, or start them a few cords in and then make a few smaller rows in the middle of your work. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.